Okay, so we're going to build on our end behavior video, and we're going to talk about whether or not these graphs are odd or even, and if they are positive and negative. So when we talk about an odd or an even, we're talking about the degree of this polynomial. Everything works off of y equals x cubed for odd. It doesn't matter if this is to the 5th power, 7th, 9th, etc. As long as this is an odd. It could even be to the power of 1. This graph is going to go from quadrant 1, this is, think of the odd number quadrants. It's going to start from here and end here. If we refer back to our end behavior, this is what those are going to mimic, what's in these two quadrants. Okay? So this would be an odd power. They're going opposite directions. Okay? If I was to put a negative coefficient in front of it, whether it's negative 1, 2, 3, etc., as long as it's a negative number, it is going to move it to quadrants 2 and 4. Okay? So the red one would become a odd negative, whereas my original was an odd positive. Okay? On the other hand, I need to talk about even. Everything works from y equals x squared. Okay? I'm not a square. I'm happy. It's going to look like that. Okay? The key here is these are both going same direction. Okay? If I was to look at my end behavior, it's going to mimic here and here, quadrants 1 and 2. That would be my end behavior. It doesn't matter if this power is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. As long as it's even, they're going to go the same direction. This one would be a even positive. Okay. The minute I put a negative coefficient in front of that variable, whether it's negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, it's going to flip it into these two quadrants, quadrants 3 and 4. This end behavior would mimic these two right here. Now, they're still going the same direction, only this time they're sad. Negative feelings make you sad, so we would have sad going both the same direction. This would be considered an even negative.